Hi, we are Mike and Donna, and we would like to invite you to join us on our Greek island cruise. On this trip, we travel with our good friends Sarah and Tom on Celebrity Reflections. Our 11-night cruise takes us to some beautiful ports, but prior to boarding, we enjoyed 2 wonderful nights in Rome. So come along with us and enjoy our travels. We're at Ronaldsway Airport waiting to board the plane because we're heading on our holidays. It's going to be a lot of travelling over the next 48 hours. So, hope you're going to join us and stay with us. Right, so today we're at the Clayton at Manchester Airport. We're only here for one night. I'll just give you a quick room tour. Oh, Mike's rushing to show you the bathroom.
That's okay, loose behind the door.
Oh, really?
Crack to your knees.
All right, so obviously bath, shower. Hello! Not much to show really. Toilet, sink and a bath, shower.
Someone's been in at the door on the roof off the wardrobe.
Yeah, they have. Well, it's quite handy that actually. They don't hanging spaces round the corner, which works out quite well. Good place for putting your suitcases, considering this is an airport hotel.
Yes, you should have learned by now though. No airports.
And let's have a quick peek out the window. I can't imagine there being much of a view, but we'll endeavour to find out. There you go, Manchester Airport at all its pinery. So folks, we'll see you in a bit.
Bye-bye.
Hi folks. Well, we're at the... Where are we at?
Clayton.
Clayton.
You booked it, you should remember.
Sarah and Tom have surprised us and booked in at the Doubletree and Hilton, which is literally...
Hang on a second, guys.
behind us.
Over on the shoulder. And that's where they are.
Yeah. So, I'll show you the restaurant. What does the menu look like, Mike?
It's some writing on a piece of paper.
He's a sarcastic sod, honestly.
Looks like, babe.
We're just waiting for Sarah and Tom to arrive, but we're just going to have a quick peek at the menu while we're waiting.
A lot of fish.
A lot of fish. That's not good for mine. Good for me.
Squid ring truffle mayonnaise.
Mm.
Pea, spinach and ricotta arancini. These are appetizers.
Right.
To start, chicken liver parfait, smoked haddock fish cakes.
Ooh, smoked haddock
mackerel.
fish cake sounds lovely.
Donna had smoked kippers last week.
I love kippers.
I don't like smoked fish at all.
He doesn't like fish. Well, he does actually. Tell a fib.
Yeah, I
Fish
love
chips
carp.
and mushy peas.
Like the carp for a pond. Soup of the day, don't know what it is, but it says vegan. And stuffed mushrooms with cream cheese. So
Can you
needless
tell?
to say, I'll
He's
be on
such-
super starter.
He's just such a fussy eater.
Pasta, chorizo linguine,
Nice.
linguine arrabbiata,
Yum.
hot smoked salmon, baby prawns and mussel linguine. You will not eat that.
No,
I
not
don't like
with-
mussels.
I don't like
Except
mussels.
mine.
Yeah.
Mains. Supreme chicken rather than chicken supreme,
Yeah.
which is fondant potato, charred pavement, leeks, crispy rocket, chicken cream, braised beef, mash, onion puree and bourguignon sauce. Got to pronounce that right.
Well done.
Pan-seared salmon
Bourguignon.
fillet with braised fennel tree soaked cream,
Sounds lovely.
butternut squash and feta cheese tart, Clayton burger with fries. Oh, and put cheese on it.
Well, you can
I
ask
know,
for
I
it
know. I will.
without.
Steaks
Fussy boy.
with fries, grilled flat mushrooms, tomato and dressed rocket. Don't want the rocket. Ribeye, rump, sirloin, peppercorn sauce, red wine juice, or béarnaise sauce. You like béarnaise, don't you?
I do.
Don't look at me like nasal hair. Sides, mixed baby leaf salad,
Okay.
fries, onion rings, buttered tenders.
Okay there guys, can I get you any drinks?
Yes, please.
Whilst you're waiting, what can I get you? That was very eager. What
Yeah.
can I get you?
Go on, you have first. Red wine.
We've ordered a bottle of wine.
Yeah,
don't
what
want
wine
it.
was it?
We didn't. We just said it just said house wine.
Oh yeah, what's this?
So it's any wine really, they're all the same price, we don't have a house wine.
Okay, in that case,
I was supposed to give that one
a Pinot Grigio.
Give it us at the end. Pinot Grigio, yeah?
A bottle of Pinot Grigio, yeah?
Yeah.
Anything else?
I'll have vodka tonic, please.
It's time for bed. So we would like to say a big good night and we'll see you tomorrow for our next leg of the journey, which is to Rome.
No, it's to Heathrow, our next leg.
And where do we go from Heathrow?
Rome.
Well, there you go.
No, the next leg, technically speaking, is Heathrow. She's
I
always
know.
doing this. It's legs. We're down to the knee. The knee tomorrow is Heathrow. The foot is Rome. Is that fair?
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah. So the next leg of the journey is Heathrow, then to Rome.
From us here at the
Clinton for last night.
the Clinton for the last night, we'd like to say
Good
good
night.
night and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care. Night-night.